In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra stores from Shopify. Whether you're streamlining your business operations or cleaning up your account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your store name displayed. This is your access point to managing the multiple stores you might have under your account. Go ahead and click on your store name. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll need to select All Stores. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of all the Shopify stores linked to your account, giving you a clear overview of what you're working with. Now, take a moment to review your list of stores. Identify the store that you want to remove. Once you know which one you're ready to part with, click on that particular store. This will redirect you to the main dashboard for that store. From here, your next step is to locate the Settings option. To find this, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings, and a new set of options will appear. Within this Settings menu, it's time to focus on managing your account's plan. So, go ahead and select the Plan option. This page will show you all the details regarding your current subscription. Here's where you can make the decisive move to either cancel the subscription or, if you're within the trial period, cancel the trial. Whether you see Cancel Subscription or Cancel Trial, clicking on either option will initiate the process to delete your Shopify store. Remember, when you choose to cancel your subscription or trial, it effectively means you're removing this particular store from your Shopify account. This decision will also involve a follow-up confirmation from Shopify to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. So, be prepared to double-check your choice. And there you have it. Those are all the steps you'll need to remove any extra stores from your Shopify account. It's a straightforward process, but do ensure that the store you are about to delete is indeed the one you want to part with, as this action cannot be undone easily. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Until next time, happy managing.